Hello, my name is Sergio, and I'm going to be talking about the essential services for a forensic nurse. As mentioned before, there's different types of positions for forensic nurses, such as sexual assault, emergency room, crime, etc. So the goal for its essential services is to help promote policies, to help overcome community conditions that enable optimal health for all, and seek to remove systemic and structural barriers that have resulted in health inequities. So an example for an intimate partner violence victim, then a forensic nurse must monitor health, diagnose, and investigate, so we must identify who's at high risk, such as people with personality disorders, past history of abuse, low level education, economic stress, low poverty, gender, race, ethnicity, sexual orientation, etc. We must inform, educate, and empower. So educating for signs and symptoms of someone is the IPV victim. We also must empower the patient to be a partner in the recovery process. And we next mobilize community partnerships. So we develop a network of community services such as violence prevention programs. We must have the community efforts to address environmental factors such as employment, education, housing, safe space, to help improve those areas. That way, it would decrease the rate of IPV victims. We must develop policies, enforce laws, so we collaborate with law enforcement, criminal justice system, social system, healthcare workers, to help develop policies, procedures on how to deal with someone who is an IPV victim. We next link to provide care, ensure competent workforce, so we just provide linkages to crisis management services, and develop a referral and follow-up system for IPV victims. We must also educate the staff to train in identifying and change behaviors, detection, and interruption of transmission of violence. Lastly, we evaluate the system management and research, so we must carry out evaluation studies to determine the effectiveness on the prevention and identification programs. Evaluation of the efforts implemented will reveal ways to improve and expand and adapt and shift resources needed to different areas in the communities.